A closer look 1. 5. Practice saying the statements and short dialogues, then listen to the recording and check your pronunciation.
1. Wow, your backpack is heavy.
Well, I didn't put much in it. Just 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of jeans, a telescope, and my rock collection.
2. On his farm, his father used to have 5 horses, 4 cows, 4 hens, and 1 cat. 3. What do you think the universe includes?
I think it includes stars, planets, and galaxies.
4. Which of the following do you think can follow the verb launch to form a phrase?
I think they are launch a satellite, launch a rocket, and launch a spacecraft.
5. Can you see anything from there?
Yes, I can see a small red house, a garden, a bicycle, a lake, and a boat.